Let's start. Today we will see how to implement an interactive viewer in Flutter Android. An interactive viewer is such a Flutter widget, using which you can pinch zoom any UI element on the screen. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The appBar attribute is set to the appBar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this appBar. The body attribute is set to the interactive viewer widget. Inside that, we have a center widget. And inside that, we have an elevated button, which says, pinch and zoom this button. So when we run the app, we can pinch zoom, and move around this button, because it is placed inside an interactive viewer widget. Let's run the app. As you can see, I can do whatever I want to do with this button, thanks to the interactive viewer of Flutter. So that's it. That's how you can use an interactive viewer in Flutter Android. Thank you.